If you have your eyes set on mastering the art of property investment and diving into the top 1%, you have come to the right place. Investing in real estate is like crafting fine art, and the best artists have their own set of secret brushes and techniques. Today, we're here to share those brushes with you. Firstly, knowledge is not the key. Applied knowledge is the key. Experience is the key. Acquiring experience and not acquired experience is the key. Successful property investors don't just dip their toes into the market, they dive in headfirst. They don't wait until they are harmed with a wealth of knowledge, but they also tend to leverage the power of mentorship. Make it your mission to become a real estate connoisseur. Align yourself with a mentor who has experience as you start acquiring experience and not just immersing yourself in endless books, seminars, online courses, and webinars. Those things are good, but you must know that you learn more from doing. That's how you best learn about market trends, property values, financial analysis, and everything else under the property sun. Secondly, location, of course. The age-old adage in real estate holds true. Location is crucial. The best properties are often located in areas with promising growth potential. Think upcoming neighborhoods or regions undergoing development. Research local infrastructure plans, job opportunities, schools, and amenities. A strategic location can significantly bolster your investment values over time. With that being said, what you need to know more is how locations affect valuations of properties and not necessarily the falsity of zero value when a location is not as desired as others. Thirdly, property investment is a numbers game. Numbers aren't everyone's best friend, but they are your ally in property investment. You need to analyze potential properties meticulously, understand cash flow, cap rates, and return on investment, ROI calculations. These figures aren't just for show. They guide your decisions and ensure you're investing wisely. In fact, there are some more hidden numbers like insurance, interest, maintenance, property management costs, and etc. This is also an area where a competent mentor becomes handy. Speaking of, the fourth thing I want you to do is to build a solid network. It's who you know and not what you know. Networking isn't just about swapping business cards at events. It's about forming genuine connections with professionals in the industry, agents, brokers, and other investors, and even mentors. Accessible mentors, no matter how much they cost, are always cheaper than $10 books on the Amazon shelves. You might have to rewind that to process what I just said. These relationships can offer insights, opportunities, and sometimes that one deal that sets you on the path to the top 1%. A numbers game, the next 10 deals might do a little better than breaking even, and the next deal after that might make you a profit that you've needed to get you to the next level. I've seen this over and over in the past 18 years. In fact, the last 6 years have been all that to me personally, while the last 48 hours alone have made more impact on my business than the last 6 years. I can tell you more about that later. The fifth secret, don't shy away from risk, just assess. Property investment isn't for the faint of heart. Sometimes you need to take a leap of faith, but here's the catch. Make sure it's an assessed risk. Assess the risk as you go without overthinking. Weigh the pros and cons and then take an informed decision. We all have to make decisions from limited information. You're not alone. You shouldn't be alone if you have a mentor. The top 1% got there by embracing risk wisely. Last but definitely not the least, the profit comes from how you buy. This saying has resonated with me since the outset of my journey in 2005, emphasizing a fundamental principle in property investment. You make your profit when you buy, not when you sell. It underscores the significance of the purchasing stage, emphasizing that the success and the profitability of the property investment are primarily determined by the buying decisions made at the inception of the venture. By strategically assessing and selecting properties that align with your investment goals, financial capacity, and market trends, you set the stage for a potentially lucrative investment. Essentially, this adage serves as a reminder to meticulously analyze the property, consider the potential for appreciation, evaluate the neighborhood's growth prospect, and weigh other critical factors before committing to the purchase. Making a wise and informed decision during buying phase is the key to reaping rewards in the realm of property investment. One of the ways to mitigate risk is wholesale real estate, your gateway to the top 1%. It's time to talk about how wholesale real estate fits into this equation, especially for beginners aspiring to make their mark in the realm of property investment. Wholesale real estate involves finding deeply discounted properties and assigning the rights to buy them to other investors for an assignment fee. The profit. This strategy can be a fantastic entry point for beginners, allowing them to bring value to seasoned investors while making a name for themselves. Here are the 4 ways that wholesale real estate aligns with property investment secrets. Way number 1. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications in order to be notified when I drop the next video. The actual way number 1, knowledge expansion. Engaging in wholesale real estate broadens your understanding of property values, market dynamics, and negotiation skills. It's hands-on lesson that complements the theoretical knowledge you've gathered without the need to have the big capital required for traditional property investment while making money as you go. Way number 2, building a network. Wholesale deals often involve collaboration with experienced investors, a network of mentors, right? This is an excellent opportunity to network and learn from their expertise, having your own circle of industry contacts. Way number 3, risk mitigation. Wholesale deals usually involve lower risk compared to direct property investment and ownership. You're not burdened with the responsibility of managing the property long term, reducing potential risk while you're still acquiring experience, as mentioned earlier. Way number 4, financial savviness. Managing finances efficiently is a significant aspect of wholesaling. You learn to evaluate properties quickly and accurately, enhancing your property financial acumen, which is indispensable for successful property investment. Here are 4 tips for succeeding in wholesale real estate. Tip number 1, market research. Understand your target market thoroughly. I am not saying the local market here, because with the internet opportunity of today, you can operate United States real estate wholesaling from anywhere if you have a smartphone and laptop with an internet connection. You can start by using the free trial of www.empirebigdata.com to identify the areas where distressed properties are prevalent and potential buyers are interested. Tip number 2, network relentlessly. Attend Real Estate Invest, join online forums, and connect with industry professionals. Your network can be your greatest asset in finding deals and buyers and executing wholesale real estate transactions. Tip number 3, negotiation skills. Hone your negotiation skills. The better you negotiate, the more profit you can make from each deal. And practice makes perfect in this regards. Tip number 4, master marketing. Learn effective marketing strategies to reach potential sellers and buyers. Utilize online platforms, social media, and targeted direct advertising to maximize your reach. So there you have it, the top 1% secret of property investment and how wholesale real estate can be your stepping stone into this exciting realm. Remember, every property transaction is a lesson, and every lesson propels you closer to the elite league of property investors. If you enjoyed this video, you will get so much more value from the video that just popped up on the screen.